Dear investor, so I hear there's a property you're interested in, but you don't have enough money to purchase it. I have sound advice for you. Why don't you look for two or more like-minded individuals? Could be your friends, your business associates, people that are like-minded, who think like you. Pool funds together and pay for the property. That way, you share the burden of the cost of acquisition or cost of purchase amongst yourselves, but you also share the profits and, of course, any associated risk. That concept is called co-investing, and that's a strategy that's widely used among experienced real estate investors, even newbie investors like yourself. So, when next you're stuck with buying a property because of lack of funds, think co investing. Pool funds together amongst your friends and business associates, purchase the property, spread the risk, enjoy the profits together, spread the burden of cost of acquisition as well. You're welcome.